just hash hash hash. By 2025, several automakers will have electric car models in their lineups. Some of the most exciting electric vehicles include 1. Performance with range 250-300 miles per charge. Features: spacious SUV design with and 3. Performance, off-road capabilities and range 259 miles per charge. Features: great value with A and hash hash hash. While electric cars have many benefits, there are still some that need to be overcome. Although battery technology is improving, the A battery can still be high. Despite these challenges, the continues to evolve rapidly, and solutions to these issues are on the horizon. By 2025, electric cars will become more common, making transportation safer and more efficient. Manufacturers will continue to invest in, and the will grow, helping to minimize waste and environmental impact. Hash hash hash. In conclusion, are not just the future, they are the. With improved, lower prices and growing, electric cars will become the dominant form of transportation by 2025. They offer a and more way to travel, helping to tackle and, as the industry continues to evolve, electric cars will become a part of our driving us towards a more. Would you like to explore any specific or further? Electric cars are not just a trend. They are a movement towards cleaner, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation for the planet.